same thing, to turn it on, you just need to like, but on this one, you just need to like change, put on any setting. Like if you want to put it on hot air, just turn it to hot air.
In here?
And it begins heating up. And right now, after it heats up, it's gonna do like a quick test, right? Right, Jessica? There's a fan, and it heats up and it blows. Yep. And just hit start. If you want to run for 2 minutes, you just click the up arrow twice, and it starts right up. And right there, here's the temperature knob. You can set the temperature, like if you want to run for like 350, turn it to 350. It fires up. And over there, down there, here's all the different options. You can turn the light on. See, when you turn the light on, see, turn it off, turn it on. You can barely see the lights coming on. Turn it off. And fan speed, you can put it on high. So, yeah, let's turn it on high. Or you can make it go down. Low fan speed. And high. Let's turn it to like whichever fan speed you want. And vent, make sure it's on the open position. So making sure that we have all that ventilation going. And I don't know, you can see the fan spinning right there, so you know it means it's working, right, Jessica? The fan blows and the heat comes in, and it beeps when it's done, so you know it means, because that's how it works. So,
remember about this?
Yeah.
Remember about this?
Oh, I did not even notice that.
Yeah, see?
Oh, What is that for? Is that for cleaning?
When you clean it, right.
Just like the auto shams?
Kind of, yes.
And now just close the door slowly, right? Very slowly.
Don't ever slam those doors.
That's right. Yeah. Careful once you open the door, right? It's hot in here when it's done. Yep, it's going to count down. So, Mommy, when the oven goes off, it's going to beep. You hear it, Mommy?
I hear it, William.
So now I need to open the door, right? Just open the door, it's going to stop, right, Jessica?
Yes, sir.
Slowly, right? Yep, it's like that, real slowly now. Yep, that's it. It's still beeping. Yep. Alright. Same thing on this one. You just need to like got that high speed oven going on. That's why I've been making the video, right, Mommy?
That's right, William.
Knowing how it works. We have to be real careful when you open the door, right? Because it's hot in here. Making sure it gets really hot. Really hot when you open the door. Making sure so. Got some high-speed ovens going on for me. Alright guys, let me go ahead and turn all the ovens on. That way you can see which one is the loudest and which one is the quiet one. So, see, got some Blodgett and Auto Sham ovens. Yep. To turn it on, just push and hold this button down. Yep. And same thing on the top one, just push and hold this button down. Yep. It fires up. See that light come on? Alright. So here's all the ovens again. Alright, this one's ready. Alright, touch. Tap, tap. Oh. Because who loves you, Mommy? That's why because that's why I've been making the video of all that high-speed ovens and how it works. Right?
Remember Kojak, the old TV show Kojak?
Yep.
No. It was actually, yeah, it wasn't, I say that, but I'm actually too young to
Yep.
remember it. I just saw it in reruns.
Got some ovens for me, so it's all waiting for me, right? Making the video of how to. Yep. Yep.
That's the one who tracked me down. Oh, he tracked me down for everything.
Oh, yeah. I wonder if they're having trouble enrolling people. You know?
Yep. So, got some high-speed ovens going on for me.
You know their cafeteria is like Hartwell.
I told you that they were,
Yeah, but to stop it, just press the button right there. It stops it. Yep.
And I'm probably not saying it right, but Tiffany said Hartwell, but she thinks said Hartwell. And Tiffany is a girl I go to church with. And but she takes a lot of things, so it could be Hartwell.
Got that high-speed oven going on for me. So, it's a Blodgett. Because that's how it works. So you see it, turns it on, the fan is running. Yep. It's cool, isn't it? Because that's why I've been making the videos, right? Everybody's all waiting for those noises. Yep. All waiting for it, isn't it? Yep. These are really cool ovens. Very cool. It's really cool looking. It's very cool. It's all waiting for it. For making the video. It's all that steam coming in. So now, yep. Yes? Yes? These are really cool ovens. These are really cool ovens. Yep. These are really cool ovens, right, Jessica? The fan, right? When the heat comes in, and the fan circulates all that hot air.
have to go talk to the school about it.
Making a nice video, right?
Put them in school to begin with and see how it goes.
Right? We have to be very careful when you open the door, right? Because it's still hot on the inside.
Because the rest of them are immunocompromised, but I can't. I guess I'm not. But I mean, one of his friends is, one of those diabetics that you have to check their lungs for like every 4 hours. And their lungs are medical for some reason.
Because you can't tell with sugar.
Oh, yeah, that's right. And so, for the same reason that they have trouble recovering.
A friend whose dad died. When my dad died,
All right. We got a bonus treat for you. We got the ice machine fire up.
well, yeah, and it was just so great because everybody else was good, right? And I was just like, and it's appreciative, but when it's only 2 people, there's only so much.
So goes on here.
Yeah, and so I'm gonna just pick up some garlic rice, some French beans, send me some frozen. They can throw it in the freezer, they can eat it right then. Heat everything up. So,
Is that where you have to go now?
yeah, I'm gonna have to like paperwork to do and stuff. So I'm gonna do that in a minute. But this is what like Harrison Town is the Walmart. Right?
Nico does not work their mask off. Waveland has such a low infection rate. I don't think they're under the mask.
Got that dishwasher. Very cool. Fills up. Against the cycle. Yep. You hear that sound? It's filling. We got some cool stuff around here. Got that dishwasher, isn't it? I've been waiting for those noises. And here's the power switches for like turning the power on if you're doing maintenance. And here's the information. Alright. That dishwasher is really cool. Yeah, you hear it? You hear that noise? Yep. And again, here's the information. Caution extremely hot. You know why? Because that's why there's a heating element. Yep.